Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Maths by RK Sir. We have to solve class 10 exercise 8.1 question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, then find the value of sin A dot cos C plus cos A dot sin C. Second, cos A dot cos C minus sin A dot sin C. It is given that ABC is a right angle triangle at B. So we draw first a right angle triangle ABC right angled at B. A, B and C. Here right angled at B. Given that tan A equal to 1 by root 3. But we know that tan theta is equal to P by B. So we can write this tan A is equal to P by B is it is given that 1 by root 3. So we can say that perpendicular P is equal to 1 and base B is equal to root 3. Here with respect to angle A, this will be perpendicular and this will be base. So it becomes hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is unknown. So we find hypotenuse by using PGT theorem in this ABC right angled triangle. So we find hypotenuse by using hypotenuse H by using PGT theorem. What is PGT theorem? According to PGT theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. So we can write hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Here hypotenuse is AC, so hypotenuse square is equal to AC square equal to perpendicular is BC, so we can write perpendicular square is equal to 1 square, it is given 1 square plus base will be AB is equal to root 3, so we can write base square, that means root 3 square. Clear? Any doubt? AC square is equal to 1 square will be 1 plus root 3 square will be root 3 square will be 3. So AC square equal to 1 plus 3 4. AC equal to root of 4. Why? Because root square 2 will be transferred from left to right and becomes root. So AC is equal to root of 4. AC equal to 2. Why? 4, we find factors of 4. This becomes 2 multiply 2. So it we get 2. Here AC is equal to 2. That means H is equal to 2. Clear? Now we need sin A cos C cos A sin C. So we find sin A comma cos C comma cos A comma sin C. Clear? Here sin A is equal to P by H. Here with respect to A, this will be perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, so it is equal to 2 and it is 1 and it is root 3. So P is equal to 1, hypotenuse is equal to root 3, sorry 2, so it will be 1 by 2. Sin A हो गया. Cos C, cos C is equal to, with respect to C, with in this triangle with respect to C, AB will be perpendicular, not base. Clear? This will be perpendicular according to C, but according to B, sorry A, it will be base. According to C, AB will be perpendicular and BC will be base. Clear? But we observe according to A, this become perpendicular, not base, and AB will be base. Clear? But we observe C angle according to C, so it becomes perpendicular and it becomes base. Cos C is equal to B by H. B by H, base upon hypotenuse, so it becomes 1 by 2. Cos A, B by H, according to angle A, according to angle A, it becomes base and it becomes perpendicular. Clear? And this is hypotenuse is exact position, so cos A is equal to B upon H, that means root 3 upon 1.